God se volk was slawe in Egipte. Slawerny is wanneer jou vryheid weggevat word. Niks is meer jou eie nie. Jy word besit. Jy is nie meer 'n mens nie, maar 'n besitting, 'n verbruiksartikel en 'n werktuig. Jou waarde word bepaal deur hoe hard jy kan werk, hoe produktief jy is. Nadat die Here die volk uit slawerny bevry het, het hy vir hulle die 10 gebooie gegee. In Deuteronomium 5 se weergawe van die 10 gebooie, lees ons dat die Sabbatsgebod alles met bevryding uit slawerny te maak het. In vers 5 staan daar, jy moet daaraan dink dat jy in Egipte 'n slaaf was, en dat die Here jou God jou deur sy groot krag en met magtige dade daaruit bevry het. Daarom het die Here jou God jou beveel om die Sabbatdag te onderhou. Is ons bevry van slawerny? Daar word dikwels gesê ons leef in 'n verbruikersamelewing. Is consumerism of verbruikerisme nie dalk nog 'n vorm van slawerny nie?
Yes, I'd like to order the Erica Picari dust ruffles.
If I saw something clever, like a little coffee table in the shape of a yin-yang, I had to have it. The Klipsk personal office unit, the Hovatrek home Exerbike, or the Yohanneshav sofa with the string green stripe pattern. Even the Rizlampa wire lamps of environmentally friendly unbleached paper. I'd flip through catalogs and wonder, what kind of dining set defines me as a person? I had it all, even the glass dishes with tiny bubbles and imperfections, proof that they were crafted by the honest, simple, hard-working indigenous peoples of wherever.
I was holding. When you buy furniture, you tell yourself, that's it, that's the last sofa I'm gonna need. Whatever else happens, I've got that sofa problem handled. I had it all. I had a stereo that was very decent, a wardrobe that was getting very respectable. I was close to being complete.
What are we then?
We're, consumers.
Right. We are consumers. We are byproducts of a lifestyle obsession.
Kan die Sabbatsgebod ons help om van consumerism of verbruikerisme bevry te word? Consumerism of verbruikerisme is die slawerny van ons tyd. Hoe moet ons verbruikerisme verstaan? Kan ons daarvan bevry word? Deesdae word daar baie oor hierdie onderwerp gepraat.
Professor of theology at the University of St. Thomas in Minnesota, Kavanaugh is author of a number of essays and books, like Being Consumed, Economics, and Christian Desire. In it, he explores the role Christians should play as consumers. We caught up with Professor Kavanaugh at the Evolving Church Conference, put on by the Epiphania Network a few months ago.
Keeping one faith, one hope, one...
Being Consumed starts off questioning whether we truly live in a free market society. He argues the world we live in doesn't encourage freedom, but instead, isolation.
When is a market free? When does an exchange lead to the flourishing of the consumer, the producer, all of the different parties involved? What we've been sold as freedom, I don't think really is freedom. I think it's alienation in a lot of ways. We've been sold on the idea, for example, that you're a failure if after you retire you live with your kids. In most of the world, throughout most of human history, you want to be with your family. Extended families were a kind of richness of life. And now you have to amass this massive retirement account so that you can avoid living with your own family. Why? Why has that become a goal rather than the other way around? So a lot of what we've been sold as autonomy. Autonomy is the goal, but I don't think autonomy is real freedom. Real freedom is being connected with other people and not being disconnected from other people.
It's that world of disconnect that the professor says has caused us as consumers to become prioritized with the art of consumption and pursuit, rather than simply getting what we need.
In consumerism, it's not so much about buying as it is about shopping. It's not really about having more, it's about having something else. People think consumerism is about greed and hoarding and holding on to things, but it's really not. It's about detachment from things and constantly moving on to the next new thing. That's really what typifies consumerism, and so there's this sort of restlessness of desire.
Instead, Kavanaugh challenges us to integrate all aspects of our life with our faith in Jesus.
En so word dit duidelik dat ook ons die slawe van consumerism of verbruikerisme begin word het. Verbruikerisme verslaaf ons aan die meer. Ons wil meer hê omdat ons onvergenoegd is. Ons wil totaal autonoom en onafhanklik wees, aan niemand iets verskuldig nie. Maar dis nie vryheid nie. Dis slawerny. Kom ons volg Moses uit die land van slawerny uit. Kom ons werp die kettinge van slawerny van onsself af. Die Sabbatsgebod nooi ons om vry te word van die dwang om onsself deur produksie en verbruik te probeer bewys. Kom ons volg Moses en verlaat die land van ons slawerny.